Greetings, future crochet addicts. I am Creative Panda Creature. I am a full-time crochet designer, and welcome to my series How to Crochet for Beginners, where I'm gonna teach you basic stitches and techniques of this amazing craft. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet in back loop and front loop only. This technique creates a little bit different structure, and I'm gonna show you the difference. In this picture, half of the row is made only in the back loop and another half is made only in the front loop. The ones in back loops only has kind of lines in the front, and the ones in the front loop only have kind of holes. I started by making chain of 3 instead of first double crochet. And what we usually do here is we are placing our hook under 2 loops of the next double crochet, but now we're gonna place it only in the back one, so we're gonna have only 1 loop on the hook, and we do yarn over and finish our double crochet as we usually do, and we're just gonna crochet the same way as we would do with our double crochets. Only difference is we are placing the hook only in the back loop of the double crochet of the previous row. Here is how it looks like when we make a couple of them. You can see there is kind of edge of the previous row. And now I'm gonna show you how to do front loop only. We're gonna be making our double crochets the same way, but instead of placing it in the back loop, we're gonna be placing it only in the front loop. So from those 2 loops we are usually placing it to, we are taking only the front one now. As you can see, it creates kind of bigger hole under the stitch you just made. So that's it, we are just placing the hook only in the front loop of the 2 loops. And we can finish the whole row this way. And here we can compare the differences. So this is the back loop only, this is the front loop only, and here it is from the other side. These videos are part of my Crochet It Yourself kits, designed to bring even more joy to your crochet journey. I crafted these kits with love and care, hoping to share not just my knowledge and skills, but also the passion for creating beautiful pieces. I want to make them perfect for you, so if there is any technique you want to master, or a pattern you are dying to try, or even a new design you are dreaming of, let me know. Let's collaborate and make something magical together.